This is one of the egusi soup videos you will need to see if you want to change your egusi soup game to the next level. I made this soup in a very different way and I want to share it step by step how you can make egusi soup differently and it will taste amazingly. This soup came out really delicious and I want to share it step by step. After seeing this video, make sure you share it with your friends. Don't gatekeep, okay? So they could see different ways they can make egusi soup. And also subscribe to the channel if you find this channel helpful. Thank you. For this egusi soup, we'll be using Banga extract. Some people call it ako. Wash it properly. In case you don't know how to extract the juice, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video to show you how to do it. Okay, extract the juice, set it aside for later use. Introduce your proteins into the pot. For this protein, I used cow meat and goat meat. Two different ones. They will give two different tastes. Okay, use any protein of choice. Introduce your pepper, your seasoning, your onions. Just steam it the way you feel that gives taste to your soup. However you want to steam this, but let it not cook for a very long period of time, because when you introduce the Banga extract into this meat, is also going to boil before you start introducing other things. So I allowed it to cook for about 10 minutes. And when I opened up, I introduced the Banga extract. Please be careful not to introduce the dark particles into your soup. After introducing the Banga extract, I introduced stockfish. I also introduced dry fish. I covered them, allowed them to cook for about 10 minutes. When I opened up, I introduced crayfish. Enough crayfish to cook the soup properly. Now I stirred to combine. Cover this again and allow it to cook until the Banga extract is properly cooked. I wouldn't tell the number of minutes this took before the Banga extract was ready, but when you start seeing oil floating on top of it, you know it's ready and it's time to introduce your egusi melon seed. Blend it, turn it into puree just like this, a thick puree, then introduce it into the soup and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, when you open up, it is left for you to dissolve the egusi if you don't like to dissolve them, because I allowed some of them in big chunks like that. Also, I just dissolved some of them just to thicken the soup and allow it to cook until the egusi is properly cooked. Also, if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, thank you for stopping by. I'm happy you're here. This is 426 Kitchen. I want to welcome you especially to this channel. This is a place where you learn how to make Nigerian dishes generally, how to make them the authentic way that they should. This is where you will learn how to do it. This soup may have brought you to this channel, but we'll have other interesting soup as well that you will love to see. Just head over to the channel, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Watch other videos so you learn how to make Nigerian soups the authentic way. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. After stirring properly to combine, I covered the pot, brought it to a boil for about 5 minutes. And when I opened up, I introduced a properly washed and pounded prawns. Stir properly to combine. Okay, at this point you can taste and adjust with any lacking ingredient. I also want to say at this point that no further oil was introduced into the soup, just the Banga extract, but you can also decide to introduce more oil in case your Banga extract did not give you that rich, colorful oil that you want. You can introduce red oil into the soup. Okay, so stir properly to combine. When I opened up, I introduced my crayfish, another mackerel fish, okay, because I love mackerel fish. You can decide not to introduce it. You've already introduced fish. I introduced more fish because the soup was big. Then I will stir properly to combine at this point. When it comes to a boil, I'll introduce periwinkle. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you've watched up until this time, kindly do well to subscribe. I'm on a journey to hitting my 1,000 subscribers, and this has taking a whole lot of time and I don't know why I'm not getting there. Please subscribe, like the video, comment so the algorithm will push my videos. Thank you. I'm putting up a very good content here. Please help your girl. Thank you very much. So I introduced periwinkle and a bit of Knorr seasoning, just one Knorr seasoning, because the taste of the soup was already okay, but just to give it that feel, for the finishing. So after introducing the periwinkle, I will stir properly to combine, and it will be time to introduce the vegetable. And for the soup, I'll be using bitter leaf. You can decide to use any vegetable of choice, but I think bitter leaf will help bring out a little kind of bitterness into the soup that will help balance the taste of the soup. You can use any vegetable of choice if that's what you want. But I introduce bitter leaf. I will stir properly to combine. Let me know in the comment section the swallow you think will pair very well with the soup. And if you will make the soup, of course, you need to try to make your egusi soup this way. Just make it this way and come back to this video to give us your review of the soup. The soup came out really delicious and I know you will love it when you try it. This is one soup I know you will love. The soup was delicious and everyone that had it enjoyed it. I covered it, allowed it to cook for about 2 minutes, and when I open up, the soup will be ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you got a lot of value from your time. If you did, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, you know you are the real MVP. Thank you for always standing by. Thank you for always standing with me. Thank you for always sharing. I appreciate you. This is after 2 minutes. I will fluff out the soup and the soup will be ready. Let me know the swallow you will pair the soup with at this point. Let me know the swallow. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate your stay here. I appreciate your time. Thank you till I meet you in my next video. Do have a pleasant day and do take care of yourself. God bless you for staying true. Bye.